Hey everyone, if you're using an iPhone 16 Pro Max or any iPhone 16 and you're frustrated with your keyboard not working properly, whether it's lagging, lacking responsiveness, or forcing you to double tap keys just to type a single letter, you're not alone. This can make it incredibly difficult to send messages or type emails. But don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through a series of proven solutions to fix your iPhone keyboard issues. Let's dive in. Solution 1 is close all running apps. Start by closing all open apps. Sometimes, running too many apps in the background can slow down your iPhone's performance, including the keyboard. To do this, swipe up from the bottom of the screen and close all app windows. Solution 2 is decrease tracking sensitivity. Adjusting the tracking sensitivity can help if the keyboard feels unresponsive. Please go to the Settings app, then click on Accessibility, tap on the Touch option, and look at the Assistive Touch option. After that, scroll the screen to modify the touch sensitivity settings. I re-muted 0.1 to keep sensitive. Solution 3 is enable slow keys if the keyboard is skipping letters. Enabling slow keys can improve its responsiveness. Head to Settings app, scroll to Accessibility, then tap on Keyboards and Typing, and unscroll the screen to tap on slow keys. Now turn toggle green next to slow keys and set to 0.1 after that test if it resolves the issue. Solution 4 is use third-party keyboard apps. If the default keyboard isn't working well, try a third-party keyboard app like Gboard or SwiftKey. Download one from the App Store and set it as your default keyboard in Settings. So dive into Settings app, scroll to General and then tap on Keyboard, and then click on Keyboards. To add new non-Apple keyboard. Solution 5 is wipe the screen. A dirty or greasy screen might cause touch issues. Use a clean microfiber cloth to gently wipe your screen. Avoid using harsh chemicals to protect the oleophobic coating. Solution 6 is force restart your iPhone. A force restart can fix minor software glitches. To force restart your iPhone 16 Pro Max. Here's how you can do it in just 3 simple steps. First, press and quickly release the volume up button. Then press and quickly release the volume down button. In last, press and hold the side button, power button, until the Apple logo appears. Please don't release the side button too soon. Keep holding it even after the screen goes black until you see the Apple logo. Is this trick work? Please write down and comment below. Solution 7 is delete and re-add your keyboard. First, unlock your iPhone and go to the Settings app. It's the one with the gear icon. Go to Keyboard Settings, scroll down and tap on General. Then, scroll again and select Keyboard. Manage your keyboards in the Keyboard menu. Tap on Keyboards at the top. Here, you'll see a list of all the keyboards you've added to your iPhone. Delete the keyboard, find the keyboard you want to delete, such as the default English US keyboard. Tap on Edit in the top right corner. Next, tap the red minus icon next to the keyboard, and then tap Delete to confirm. Now re-add the keyboard after deleting the keyboard, tap on Add New Keyboard. Select the same keyboard you just deleted, such as English, US, from the list of available options. Test your keyboard now. Exit the Settings app and test your keyboard by opening any app where you can type, like Messages or Notes. Your keyboard should work smoothly now. Solution 8 is to disconnect any Bluetooth keyboards. If a Bluetooth keyboard is connected, it can interfere with the on-screen keyboard. Turn off Bluetooth in Settings. Head to Settings app. Tap on Bluetooth. Over here you can see Connected All Bluetooth Device, so disconnect the external keyboard if any. And try to use your iPhone keyboard. This will work like a charm. Solution 9 is disable Reachability. Reachability can sometimes cause keyboard glitches. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Accessibility. Under the Touch section, select Touch. Toggle off Reachability. And that's it. Reachability is now disabled, and you can enjoy a more seamless screen experience. Solution 10 is reset keyboard dictionary. Resetting the keyboard dictionary can clear any corrupted data. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap General. Now scroll the screen all the way to select Reset or Transfer or Reset iPhone, depending on your iOS version. Now tap on Reset option. Tap Reset Keyboard Dictionary. Enter your passcode if prompted and confirm the reset. And that's it. Your keyboard dictionary is now reset, and all custom words or suggestions are cleared. Solution 11 is check for software updates. Apple frequently releases updates to fix bugs. Open the Settings app. Now scroll down and tap General. On this page, select Software Update. Your iPhone will check for updates automatically. If an update is available, tap Download and install. That's it. Solution 12 is check for issues with the screen protector. If you're using a thick or low-quality screen protector, it might affect touch sensitivity. Try removing the screen protector and testing the keyboard again. Solution 13 is factory reset your iPhone. If all else fails, consider a factory reset. This will erase all data, so back up your iPhone first. Back up your data. Before resetting, make sure to back up your iPhone to iCloud or a computer to avoid losing important data. Now, open the Settings app, scroll down, and tap General. Scroll to the bottom and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then choose Erase All Content and Settings. Enter your passcode, confirm the action, and wait for the reset to complete. Your iPhone will restart like new. And that's it. These solutions should help you fix keyboard issues on your iPhone 16 Pro Max or any iPhone 16. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tips. Let us know in the comments which solution worked for you, or if you're still facing issues. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.